in the hole on that floor, Avery Bustos from Eastern, and Maxwell Knowles from Cornet Ocala. Wrestling on net 2, Andrew Feldpock of Portland and Carson Gibson of Cornet Ocala. On deck, Joe Hill of Holt and Braden Hines with Portland. And in the hole, Jake Pellegrini and Nathaniel Sirocco of Allendale. Now wrestling on mat 2, Joe Hill of Holt and Braden Hines of Portland. On deck, Jake Pellegrini and Nathaniel Sirocco of Allendale. And in the hole, mat 2, Johnny McConnell from Perry and Leo Trumbull from Holt. Wrestling on mat 3, Trent Ross from Perry and Gavin Barrow from Potterville. On deck, Carter Coley of Reading and Alejandro Enyo of Eastern. And in the hole on mat 3, Javier Anchor of St. Louis and Kenneth Mangles of Wesley.
Nice.
Wrestling on mat 2, Joe Hill of Holt and Braden Hines of Portland. On deck, Jason Bell Reading and Nathaniel Sirocco of Allendale. And in the hole, Johnny McConnell from Perry.